There is fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain. Serious fire on the mountain. We are on our own. Fellow citizens of Nigeria, we are on our own. We are on our own because, let me give you 3 instances why I'm telling you that we are on our own. So let us start putting heads together now and look for how to advise our president, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, on the solution. Because, obviously, a country starts from a family to a community. Let me give you people a full gist. On Monday, all the Obas, we thought that when their wife go and cry on their neck, they will also cry on governor's neck. Governors also go and give Asiwaju the report that communities are concerned. So let us start looking of how to protect and secure individual communities. The wives of Obas, they called a meeting. They contributed money to rent, is it Oriental Hotel? Where did they go to? They even call Ashwebi, everybody should come in white, well dressed with makeup, only for them to get there. Fellow Nigerians, they did not discuss security matter for 2 seconds. I'm talking of just 1 second. All the top women, big women in the society. Thank God I was not around. They sent me to I should come and joke. Do you believe that they were only discussing how their kings are beating their wife? They are beating them to stupor. Oba said they beat wife. So who the SVA is supposed to carry now? Yesterday, Oba still had their own meeting. The meeting scattered. They beat because the fight is how did their wives have the audacity to gather themselves together and do a meeting and be discussing their domestic matters. They did not discuss Nigerian matter. But they said that Council of Obas should meet. We're in serious problem. Now, governors, Southwest governors, and I'm very sure, very sure, Apari governor Governor Dapo, Naim, then wear Kampala, Ashwebi, Ninu Bobo Rogbodiyan yi, Dapo, Etuno ti mu Kampala. Sanwo-Olu, Governor Sanwo-Olu, ọkàn ẹ balẹ̀. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, you wear blue filler on top Kampala. Una go discuss security. When bandits are giving us update on TikTok that they are coming, Lagos next, Sanwo-Olu, you still remember where to march. Tell to conscious, Kampala to give Sanwo-Olu war. We're in serious problem. Fellow citizens of Nigeria, the only solution now that my head can think and my spirit is leading is to look for how to bring Sunday Igboho back. Sunday Igboho is what we need now. And what be Sunday Igboho? Whatever pardon, whatever lift, let them lift the ban on Sunday Igboho so that they can come and support police officers. Now, Egbetokun has said that they should withdraw VIP. Senate, those ones, you see the way they humble, they talk now. They are scared that they will be vulnerable. Who bandits supposed carry if no be una? Who bandits supposed first bond do if no be una? If they never carry one of una I no go clear that we are restless and our lives are at risk. So fellow citizens of Nigeria, if not to protest, we are ready. I'm just a stone throw away. Igboho must come back. Because those police officers, one and one go withdraw. And they don't benefit, they don't shock. Now inside AC, then they sleep. Then they use iPhone 14, 15 Pro Max. Then they eat correct food for the VVIP where they work. They know they stay under sun. So those ones, how do you want to now go and pour them on the street? They will collect bribe. You have not even started thinking of how to increase the salaries of soldiers and armies and officers. So my father is now saying that they should come and join army. Sheyi, Bewa, oh yeah, lead, others will follow. If Sheyi don't declare, say, you won't go join Nigerian army, I will follow. I will write the list of all the Asiwaju lineage and children that you should also join. Leadership by example. Because as it is, the only solution we have is to bring Sunday Igboho. When they start to put all these OPCs, just like Amotekun, when they start to have them, the Igbo people to have their own, everybody will secure each community. You see the way they attacked them in Shagam when they came. These governors and these obas, they don't have our interests at heart. They don't have, why? Until disappear. All of them are second citizenship. One oba, I'm coming to your case. Are you what badge? Esther, sheko shepe, one fiadi ori yi shepe fun yi sa, ma binu sa, okabiyesi sa. You beat your wife to the point that your wife has disappeared to France. Your case is on. I will not mention your name now. Your case is on special. A whole king is beating his wife. I have the documents. I have the visuals like this. Useless people in useless crowns. Look at the kind of fathers that we have. Maltreating their wife to the point that their wife have the audacity to gather themselves. Àwọn èèyàn náà báwo lẹ ṣe dìyàwó ọba kéèsì tí yẹn ọ̀tọ̀ àwọn alátẹnujẹ they must come olórí mi sísí ẹ ti lọ forí kóyà. The sound of a single parent bearing olórí in palaces. Your una case is another one. Let us settle this one first. Sunday Igboho seems like our temporary answer. So we are officially calling on the federal government to lift any ban on Sunday Igboho and let us start thinking of how to secure our communities. Our life is at risk. Sanwo-Olu and others, wọ́n ti gagbada lọ. Eko concern wọn. Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. The man will spend all his life saying he won't become Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. They don't give Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Una Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò that is supposed to be in the battlefield. He did Canada. 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 Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò de Canada. So what is our fate now? What is our fate? They were in Shagam a few days ago. We are in deep problem. We are in deep problem. Una say make them withdraw VIP police. The ones on the street, Gogoro, those ones, they are drunkards. Police officers on the street, they are drunkards. Their salary, they make their salary on the street collecting bribe. Then you now want to go and withdraw the VVIP, the ones who don't belly full. You won't come put them on that son. You see that this equation is no balance. This calculation people are calculating is not balanced. Igboho is the answer.
Consequently, the national chairman of Mietiala was paid to bring in foreign mercenaries. Within a month, about 6,000 Fulani fighters were brought in from Mali, from Senegal, from Niger Republic, Chad, Libya, and other countries. On arrival, they were assembled in Kaduna under the sponsorship of Nasir El-Rufai and were addressed by many northern leaders, including the Sultan of Sokoto, General Muhammadu Sahad Abubakar. Specifically, Buhari in his address told the fighters that the British handed Nigeria over to the Fulanis at independence, and that Nigeria belongs to Fulanis. They must therefore reclaim, their mission is to reclaim what belongs to them. He added that at the event that Jonathan Goodluck won the election, the Fulani machinery must fight until they regain control of the country. He assured them that the Nigerian army was behind them. The mercenaries received training from the commandant of the Nigerian Defense Academy and were sent to 6 camps in Ekiti State, Benue State, Katsina State, Kaduna State, Zamfara State, and Borno State. In the camps, brand new pickup trucks, generators, were provided for them.
The Fulani terrorists.
Nigerians are entitled to know, and it is no longer national secret. The commander of that area who ordered that those men be withdrawn it is to be a national secret to be kept within military cycle. Nigeria should know the name and the person should be brought to justice under the Terrorist Act.
When I remember say Oshomole during Buhari was a tyrant. But the way Oshomole they take the talk for National Assembly like this now, waiting change. Anyways, kudos to Adams Oshomole on this.
The adjacent country, what do? We kill them all? No. The Prophet says, the first thing you do is call them to Islam. If they accept it, leave them. Khalas, they're Muslims, we go. If they refuse, then tell them to pay taxation, jizya. If they refuse, then we have to fight. And if we fight you, then we capture you, you become our slaves, and we take your land, and you take where, because you refuse, I give you two good options.
The withdrawal that the order that has been given, I think, if we are not careful, there will be more now, because I watched a film of a video of one of the kidnappers or bandits boasting that they are going to get the head of the Mr. President, they are going after politicians, and they are going after, and these people are all repentant. Mr. Speaker, respect colleagues, I want to say that without missing words. So I want to appeal that order, there's need to review that order.